Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Chrome's full screen mode. To begin, understand that full screen expands your browser to fill the entire display, hiding elements like the address bar and tabs. This creates an immersive viewing experience, perfect for focusing on content without distractions. It's a simple way to maximize your screen real estate for presentations or watching videos. To enter full screen mode, the easiest method is to simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. This instantly expands your Chrome browser to fill your entire screen. If you prefer using your mouse, you can also click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then select the full screen icon, which looks like a square. Exiting full screen mode is just as straightforward as entering it. You can press the F11 key again, and your browser will return to its previous windowed state. Another way is to move your mouse cursor to the very top of the screen. This will reveal the browser's controls, including an X or a Restore Down button to click. Using full screen mode offers several advantages. You get an unobstructed view of your content, which is great for watching videos or reading articles. It also helps improve your focus by eliminating visual distractions from your desktop and other applications. Remember, many keyboard shortcuts still work in full screen, making navigation quick and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.